Wilbur's my kitty cat. Meow. I know. He wants me to read you this book. It's called Cookie's Week. It's his friend, Cookie. On Monday, Cookie fell in the toilet. Yuckers. There was water everywhere and toilet paper. On Tuesday, Cookie knocked over a plant off the windowsill. There was dirt everywhere. See those prints? That's Cookie's paw prints. On Wednesday, Cookie upset the trash can. That means he knocked it over. There was garbage everywhere. Yuck, I bet you that stinks. Where do you think Cookie is? Can you see the tail? Bet you he's in the bag. On Thursday, Cookie got stuck in the kitchen drawer. Where's Cookie? There. There were pots and pans and dishes everywhere. There he is. On Friday, Cookie ran into the closet before the door closed. There were clothes everywhere. Look, I think Cookie is stuck in a dress. On Saturday, Cookie climbed the curtains. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? And Cookie went everywhere. Look, kaboom, fell right off. So did the curtain rod and the curtains. Tomorrow is Sunday. Maybe Cookie will rest. I guess he'll rest. He's probably tired. Look, there's a little mouse and a little bug. And look at Cookie's eye. He's thinking, should I get it or am I too tired? Well, guess what? Not too tired. He went looking for more trouble. The end. Wilbur, that was a great book, wasn't it? He's busy too. Wilbur, aren't you? Lots of times I find his little footprints. Oh, Wilbur, as a matter of fact, look, there's your footprints there. Let's see what you did before we started the story. Let's go see. I'll take you with me. Meow. Let's go. Oh, there's some footprints. Can you see them? He was on the house. Where'd you go after that, Wilbur? You ran along the carpet. I can see the footprint right there. Then you jumped up onto the table because you wanted to get up onto this little board with all this beautiful artwork on it. Can you see that beautiful artwork? No wonder you stopped to take a peek there. Then you went and seen the nature that we found outside and wove it through. And up to say hello to Petey the bird. Oh, you must have jumped. You did. And then you jump back down again. Where's the next ones? Over here onto the shelf to take a peek at the fish. He must have went upside down to look at the fish. Next time you tell me you go in there, I'll turn the light on for you. There, look at those beautiful fish. He likes those, doesn't he? And then over to the table. And then, where did you go? Oh, you went to look outside to see if you could see some more birds out there. Or maybe a squirrel. Probably a squirrel. Up and over, back up onto the table, onto the carpet, I see. And then away he went onto the chair. Onto the other arm of the chair, over to the couch to have a little nap. I bet you did, didn't you? You got a little sleep. You have a sleep right there. You've been so busy today. And we'll see you next time. And I'll see you next time too. Bye-bye.